Hello, class 10. In our last class, or what we call the last video, in that video, we just go through with the definition of nationalism and nation state. So, first of all, you just write down the definition of modern state. Modern state, a state in which a centralized power exercised sovereign control over a clearly defined territory had been developing over a long period of time in Europe. Now, this is something really existed. Nationalism or nation state, it was all the matter of imagination. In reality, we just see modern state. And now, here we just see the real conflict in the reality and imagination. Now, once again, we just see the first page. Over there, we just see Frederick Sorry. So, for your examination purpose, note down the first question. In what way do you think the first print of democratic and social republics depicts a utopian vision? Write down the answer. The print prepared by Frederick Sorry depicts a utopian vision because, first, in place of modern state, he imagined nation state. Then, second, in his vision, he imagined Germany and Italy. Germany and Italy. In real way, both country was no way existed at that time. That time we just see the 39 states, union of 39 states. If we talk about Germany, and then we just see 7 different states if we talk about Italy. But he imagined. So in his vision, he imagined Germany and Italy and avoided the existing multinational dynastic empires. Third, in presence of kingdoms, he depicted liberty as a female figure. Like in class 9 in French Revolution, we already go through with the 3 watchwords: liberty, equality, and fraternity. So once again, here we just see this man also talk about that liberty, and he depicted liberty as a female figure. So in presence of kingdoms, he depicted liberty as a female figure. This female bears the torch of enlightenment. Torch of enlightenment in one hand, and the charter of the right of man in the other. As you know, that was the time when we just see people was far off from fundamental rights. It was no way easy to have the fundamental rights or just avail all the facilities what we have now. Okay. Then in fourth point, fraternity or brotherhood among kingdoms was also now here to be seen. Then in next point, with the help of flag and costumes, he imagined and portrayed different countries. If you just see the train made by several people, over there we just see different people just bear the different costume, having different flags in their hand. So we just see the power of his imagination. And then in fifth, Christ, saints, and angels have been used by the artist to symbolize fraternity among the nations of the world. As you know, people of different countries has great faith in their religion, and if something recognized by the god or goddess, It was bit more convincing. It is easy to convince anyone with the pictures of God. So Frederick Sorry, a man, just convinced the people that this was no way his dream, and this was no way just an imagination. It was something, the need of time, and it was something for which we, the people of the different nation, got the blessings of God as well. Now, in my next video, we just talk about Ernest Renan. Thank you.